got the money. I got the stuff. That's not all the stuff, dude. That's not all the money. Come on. There we go. Yeah, there's the stuff. Okay, yeah, fine. Oh, you coming to buy more stuff? Okay. Yeah. Little does the wannabe gangster know that that guy over there is an undercover cop.
Hey, you wanna buy some crack?
How much?
This much. Thank you, guys! Thank you!
Stop!
Oh my god! I think I lost him.
Oh well.
I should totally throw my gun away and walk very slowly so that he can't find me.